Hi Doctor, this is Group 2 video presentation slide for subject EBIM4103 Maintainability Facilities. We have 4 members to form this Group 2. Here I introduce my members. First, Stanley Manganjamit with matrix ID at 310111359450001 from Miri Sarawak Learning Center. Handphone number is 011-1078-0039. Second, Makran Vijay Maskar with matrix ID Z3823683001 from Malacca Learning Center. Handphone number is 016-625-6916. Third, myself, Yvonne Wong Yvonne, with matrix ID at 90113-126484-001 from Kota Kinabalu, Sabah Learning Center. Handphone number is 016-326660. Fourth and the last, Muhammad Zamin with matrix ID F505120651250001 from Kuantan Pahang Learning Center. Handphone number is 011-569-78385. Our team member task distribution as following. First, identify the common defects of concrete flat roof that frequently happen in Malaysia. Support with the discussion at least 3 review articles or journals to be presented by Stanley MJ. Second, explanation on the factors affecting concrete flat roof defects to be presented by Makran Vijay Maskar. Third, suggestion and remedial works for roofing defects to be presented by Muhammad Zamin. Fourth and the last, summary and conclusion to be presented by myself.
Salam sejahtera dan good day to Prof, dear colleague and beloved team members. My name is Stanley Manganjamit. I come from Miri Learning Center. Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on the common defects of concrete flat roof in Malaysia. I'm Stanley along with my colleague from OUM. Today we'll be discussing the various issues that arise with concrete flat roof and how to address them. Our presentation will focus on the common defect of concrete flat roof in Malaysia. We'll begin by exploring the nature of concrete flat roof and why they are prevalent in Malaysia construction. Next, we'll delve into the various defects that frequently occur in this roof, examining their causes and implications. We'll then present insight from academically reviewed articles to provide a well-rounded understanding of the topic. And following that, we'll discuss the factors that contribute to concrete flat roof defects, including environmental, construction-related, and maintenance factors. Finally, we'll conclude with practical suggestions and remedial works for addressing this defect and ensuring the longevity of concrete flat roof. By the end of our presentation, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools necessary to identify, prevent, and address common defects in concrete flat roof. Concrete flat roofs are prevalent architectural features in Malaysia, offering numerous advantages such as durability, affordability, and sustainability for the tropical climate. In Malaysia climate, characterized by high temperature, humidity, and frequent rainfall, concrete flat roofs are favored for their ability to withstand environmental stress and provide effective shelter. However, despite their advantages, concrete flat roofs are susceptible to various defects and challenges that require careful consideration during design. This paper aims to explore the common defect of concrete flat roof in Malaysia, examining their causes, effect, potential solution. By understanding this challenge, architects, engineers, and building owners can implement measures to enhance the durability and reliability of concrete flat roof. The common defect in concrete flat roof are cracking, due to various factors such as thermal expansion and contraction, poor workmanship, insufficient reinforcement, or structural movement. Crack can lead to water infiltration, compromising the integrity of the roof and potentially causing leaks. Waterproofing failure. Inadequate waterproofing is a common issue in the concrete flat roof, resulting in the dampness, mold growth, and structural deterioration over time. Structural instability, leading to a sagging over even collapse in severe cases. Factors such as inadequate structural design, overloading, or deterioration in reinforcement can contribute to this defect. Ottoman Maydin, 2016, in his Journal of Civil Engineering and Architecture. This study likely explored the causes and effects of cracking in concrete structure. It might discuss various factors contributing of cracking, such as material properties, environmental factors, and design and construction practices. Additionally, the study likely provide recommendation of enhancing the durability and performance of concrete structure, including flat roof, through proactive measures. TAN 2018, the International Journal of Civil Engineering Technology, however, might examine how factors such as temperature variation, moisture level, and exposure to aggressive agents contribute to cracking in concrete structure. By understanding the specific challenges posed by Malaysia's tropical climate, the research likely offer insight into mitigating cracking issues through targeted design and construction strategies. And the third study by ASK Razali 2020 in his Journal of Advanced Research in Applied Mechanics and Computational Fluid Dynamics. While not specific to concrete flat roof, the finding can be applicable to understanding the behavior of cracks in various concrete elements, including flat roof structure. The research may provide valuable insight into predicting crack growth, assessing structural integrity, and optimizing maintenance strategies to prevent catastrophic failure concrete structure. Various study and research by Nuruddin, Ibrahim, and Zainun, they agree waterproofing failure, which is caused by inadequate waterproofing, is a common issue in concrete flat roof, especially in the region with high rainfall like Malaysia. Poor waterproofing material or improper installation can lead.
Hello, my name is Makaran Vijay Maskar. I am from Malacca Learning Center. Matriculation number Z38236830001. Course Bachelor of Science in Project and Facility Management. Semester is May 2024 and my subject is EBIM4103 Maintainability Facilities. My presentation today is to address assignment task 1, which is group video presentation. I am representing group 2 and my today's topic is explanation on the factors affecting concrete flat roof defects. Presentation contents are common concrete flat roof defects, factors affecting concrete flat roof defects, conclusion, and references. First foremost, let me glance through the common concrete flat roof defects which are frequently happen in Malaysia and their impact. These are cracking, waterproofing issues, corrosion of reinforcement, poor drainages, the blistering and delamination of coatings and membranes, expansion joint failures, vegetation growth. These are the common concrete flat roof defects. These defects can result in water penetration, weakening and damaging the concrete structure, leading to spalling of the concrete. It also causes mechanical damages and annoying leaks into the buildings. Let us now deep dive and understand factors that affect concrete flat roof defects. First being climatic conditions. As we all know, Malaysia is a tropical nation and experiences a tropical climate characterized by high temperature and high humidity. This happens throughout the year, and these conditions accelerates chemical reactions within the concrete and increases the moisture ingress and results into making it prone to cracking and deterioration if not well protected. Another aspect is heavy rainfall. Here in Malaysia, we experience heavy rainfalls often. Intense and frequent rainfall can overburden poorly designed or poorly maintained drainage system on the roof. This leads to ponding of water at the roof, and this stagnant water can weaken the concrete and compromise the structural integrity over time. Also, according to the study conducted by Mohammed et al., prolonged exposure to tropical climatic condition in Malaysia increases moisture absorption and induces thermal stresses and significantly affects the durability of the concrete structures. Now let's discuss second factor, which is construction practices, which is often related to quality of workmanship. Poor construction practices such as inadequate compaction of concrete, improper curing techniques, or insufficient reinforcement detailing can result in weak spots and structural defects. Also, improper installation of waterproofing membranes or their coatings can lead to gaps or overlaps or damages to the coatings or membranes during their application. It leads to compromise of roof's ability to resist water penetration. Also highlighted by Karim and Lee in their research that construction defects related to poor workmanship and improper waterproofing are the major contributors to concrete roof failures in tropical climates similar to that in Malaysia. After construction practices, the third factor is material selection and quality. First being concrete mix design. As we all know, concrete is made up of components such as cement, aggregates, and additive, and their quality and proportion of the mix play a vital role in durability of the concrete structure. If poor mix design can lead to increased permeability, shrinkage cracking, or susceptibility to chemical attacks. Another aspect is selecting appropriate waterproofing membranes or coatings that are compatible with Malaysian weather conditions. This is important. If inferior or incompatible material is selected, they may degrade quickly under UV exposure and fail to withstand thermal expansion and contraction. This is also emphasized by Go and Alingaram in their study. They emphasize the importance of using durable, quality, and sustainable materials in concrete construction. The fourth factor is maintenance practices. First, regular inspection to check for cracks, deterioration of waterproofing, and ensuring drainage system functionality is very crucial and important to identify and address the defects early in order to reduce their severity. Vegetation control. In tropical environments, vegetation growth on roofs can be accelerate. It can accelerate the deterioration of the roof structure. The roots of the vegetation can penetrate into concrete structure and damage the waterproofing coating and membranes and allow the penetration of water, damaging the concrete structure. The Building Research Institute Malaysia also emphasized the significance of proactive maintenance practices in prolonging the service life of concrete flat roofs in the country. The fifth and the last factor is design consideration. The first, slope and drainage. Proper and adequate design of roof slopes and efficient drainage system is critical. In drainage system, the design of the pipe size and their slopes also very critical. This will prevent water ponding and it will ensure the effective runoff during heavy rainfall. Another aspect is expansion joint. The designers and engineers must incorporate adequate expansion joint accommodating the thermal movements. This will help to minimize the cracking and maintain the structural integrity of the roof. According to research published in Journal of Construction Engineering, designing flat roofs with appropriate slopes and robust drainage system is essential to mitigate defects associated with water accumulation and structural failure in tropical climates. In conclusion, I would like to state that in Malaysia, the factors which are influencing defects in concrete flat roofs are attributed to a combination of climate conditions, construction practices, material of choices, and maintenance standards. Addressing concrete flat roof defects in Malaysia requires a holistic approach which considers the climate-specific challenges, stringent construction practices, quality of materials, effective maintenance strategies, and meticulous design considerations. Academic studies and research provide valuable insight into these factors, highlighting the importance of sustainable and resilient construction practices to enhance the longevity and performance of flat roofs in tropical environments. Here I list all the references that I had elaborated and referred to during my presentation. With this, I end my presentation. Appreciate for patiently listening to me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Muhammad Zamin bin Muhammad Ali, pelajar OUM dari Pusat Pembelajaran Kuantan Pahang, akan menyampaikan persembahan mengenai cadangan bagi kerja-kerja pemulihan kecacatan bumbung rata konkrit. Sebelum itu, terlebih dahulu saya akan menerangkan pengenalan tentang bumbung. Bumbung adalah merupakan bahagian yang paling penting dalam sesebuah bangunan. Bumbung turut berfungsi menaungi dan melindungi penghuni bangunan daripada cahaya matahari, hujan dan cuaca buruk. Menurut Whitney, Dwight and Smith, bumbung adalah penutup pada bahagian paling atas sesebuah bangunan atau apa saja jenis binaan bertutup yang boleh melindungi setiap penghuni daripada haiwan dan cuaca, terutamanya daripada hujan atau panas, termasuk salji, angin dan cahaya matahari. Kita semua memerlukan bumbung bagi melindungi diri kita. Slide persembahan ini akan memperkenalkan jenis-jenis bumbung, kecacatan yang biasa terjadi pada struktur bumbung dengan gejala yang berkaitan serta menerangkan beberapa cadangan kerja-kerja pemulihan bagi bumbung rata konkrit. Bumbung dianggap sebagai salah satu sistem paling penting untuk bahagian atas bangunan. Bumbung hendaklah dibina berdasarkan 5 kriteria prestasi utama seperti berikut, iaitu mempunyai kekuatan, kemampuan, ketahanan, kesesakan cuaca dan juga berkeupayaan menyediakan penebat haba yang baik. Berikut adalah 3 jenis bumbung yang biasa terdapat dalam industri pembinaan, iaitu bumbung rata konkrit, bumbung bernada dan juga bumbung cengkerang. Reka bentuk bumbung rata konkrit menjadi ciri seni bina yang lazim di Malaysia, diguna secara meluas kerana mempunyai nilai estetika moden dan sesuai dengan iklim tropika di negara ini. Bumbung jenis ini memberikan banyak kelebihan, antaranya adalah dengan menyediakan ruang tambahan yang boleh digunakan bagi kegunaan lain, mempunyai ruang kemudahan pemasangan untuk sistem HVAC, serta memiliki ketahanan terhadap angin kencang berbanding bumbung biasa. Namun demikian, bumbung rata konkrit juga terdedah pada pelbagai masalah kecacatan yang boleh menjejaskan ketahanan dan fungsinya. Isu seperti takungan kolam air, kebocoran air, keretakan konkrit dan kemerosotan struktur sering dilaporkan berlaku. Dan perkara ini turut menimbulkan cabaran penting dalam membina integriti serta keselamatan penghuni di dalam bangunan. Berikut adalah jenis-jenis kecacatan yang biasa pada bumbung rata konkrit, iaitu kecacatan kolam air, kecacatan kebocoran air dan juga kecacatan keretakan konkrit. Kegagalan fungsi bumbung rata konkrit berlaku oleh disebabkan beberapa perkara, sama ada dari segi reka bentuk dan pembinaan yang buruk atau kekurangan penyelenggaraan. Kegagalan bumbung rata juga mungkin disebabkan oleh jangka hayat yang direka bentuk. Justru bagi membolehkan bumbung berfungsi dengan baik, memerlukan standard reka bentuk atau pembinaan yang baik serta diikuti dengan pemeriksaan dan penyelenggaraan yang kerap. Semua bumbung hendaklah diperiksa setiap tahun. Sebarang kemungkinan masalah atau kecacatan yang boleh diberikan perhatian dan pemulihan dengan kadar segera. Cadangan kerja pemulihan bagi kecacatan pada bumbung rata konkrit. Talib dan Sulaiman menyatakan bahawa sistem bumbung adalah sangat penting kerana ia memberi perlindungan kepada ruang dalaman bangunan. Sebagai sebahagian daripada pelindung luar untuk bangunan, bumbung mestilah baik dari segi teknikal dan mesti mempunyai prestasi estetik yang memuaskan. Namun demikian, bumbung rata selalu menimbulkan masalah di negara beriklim tropika seperti Malaysia. Bumbung rata harus direka bentuk untuk mengelakkan keperluan bagi kos penyelenggaraan di kemudian hari. Masalah bumbung rata adalah pelbagai kompleks dan sangat mengganggu. Walau bagaimanapun, masalah ini boleh dielakkan dengan menggunakan teknik reka bentuk yang lebih sesuai, mutu kerja pembinaan yang lebih berkualiti, pemeriksaan dan penyelenggaraan yang lebih kerap dengan melakukan kerja-kerja pemulihan bagi kecacatan pada bumbung rata dengan betul. Jadual berikut adalah cadangan serta kaedah kerja pemulihan bagi kecacatan pada bumbung rata konkrit. Yang pertama, kerosakan disebabkan oleh membran kalis air tamat tempoh. Jenis produk yang sesuai digunakan adalah dengan menggunakan exter, membran keras. Manakala kaedah membaik pulih bumbung rata pula adalah dengan meletakkan lapisan primer berasaskan petrol sebelum meletakkan lapisan membran obo dengan teratur. Pasang lapisan membran seketing minimum dengan ketinggian 0.5 meter. Kedua, kerosakan salutan epoksi atas bumbung. Gunakan salutan epoksi PLC, salutan exer, cemi dan salutan epoksi bersepadu bina. Kaedah membaik pulih adalah dengan memastikan salutan digunakan ketika cuaca panas dan kering dengan permukaan yang bersih. Pastikan juga ketebalan membran bercecair 1.5 mm dengan meletakkan salutan dalam keadaan arah bersilang dengan 3 lapisan. Ketiga, kerosakan yang disebabkan oleh lubang untuk kerja pemasangan skru di atas bumbung konkrit. Gunakan simen jenis fosprop tidak mengecut. Cadangan kerja membaik pulih bumbung rata konkrit adalah dengan menutup lubang dengan pengedap baru. Buat lubang dengan simen supaya tidak mengecut atau litupi salutan epoksi dengan gentian kaca. Keempat, kebocoran disebabkan penembusan akar-akar tumbuhan. Gunakan bina N gentian jenis mat jenama Jiangsu buatan Cina. Keluarkan kaedah membaik pulih adalah dengan mengeluarkan akar tumbuhan, letakkan gentian jenis mat di tempat bocor, kemudian cat lapisan epoksi di atasnya. Dan yang kelima, daun kering berkumpul di dalam saluran longkang konkrit. Kaedah yang sesuai digunakan adalah dengan memasang jaring logam di saluran longkang bagi menapis daun-daun kering dan mengelakkan saluran dari tersumbat. Dan yang keenam, kesilapan pemasangan pada tapak konkrit. Gunakan pengesan lembapan dan meter lembap Wagner atau yang serupa. Kaedah membaik pulih adalah dengan memasang struktur baru di atas bumbung dengan keadaan jenis kalis air. Memerlukan pemeriksaan penyelenggaraan dengan lebih kerap. Ketujuh, kecacatan konkrit dengan rekahan di bahagian atas akibat cuaca. Gunakan bahan kimia grout epoksi jenis cecair dan epoksi polisel taiga. Kaedah pemulihan adalah merawat permukaan atas diperlukan iaitu dengan memasang sistem kalis air baharu. Sistem kalis air baharu dari jenis salutan membran cecair atau membran pekat jenis keras. Kelapan, sambungan regangan konkrit bangunan yang telah tamat tempoh. Gunakan rod sokongan sika. Kaedah membaik pulih adalah dengan memasang rod penyokong baru pada sambungan. Gantikan pengedap sendi lama dengan epoksi pengedap fleksibel yang baru. Kesembilan, kegagalan lapisan pengedap logam. Gunakan pengedap epoksi jenis GEMOHM cemi. Kaedahnya adalah dengan menggantikan epoksi silen yang telah tamat tempoh. Pastikan tindanan logam pengedap dalam 2 lapisan. Dan yang terakhir, ke-10, tapak bumbung retak akibat pergerakan bangunan yang disebabkan oleh gempa bumi dan sebagainya. Produk yang sesuai digunakan adalah dengan nasihat kejuruteraan geofiji. Dengan menggunakan cerucuk mikro atau jenis cerucuk kurang getaran untuk bangunan bersebelahan. Pastikan bangunan mempunyai ciri reka bentuk kalis getaran mekanikal. Pemantauan teknikal pergerakan tanah berhampiran tapak bangunan. Kesimpulannya, sebagai sebahagian daripada pelindung luar untuk sesebuah bangunan, bumbung rata konkrit mestilah kemas dari segi teknikal dan mesti menunjukkan prestasi estetik yang memuaskan. Bumbung rata konkrit harus direka bentuk dengan baik bagi mengelakkan keperluan penambahan kos penyelenggaraan di kemudian hari. Bumbung rata mempunyai ciri-ciri kompleks serta memerlukan penyelenggaraan. Pembentangan ini fokus kepada kerja-kerja pembetulan yang dicadangkan termasuk produk jenis bahan kalis air yang digunakan bagi membaik pulih bumbung rata konkrit. Kerja-kerja pemulihan mestilah dilakukan dengan teliti menggunakan kaedah serta pemilihan bahan yang betul agar tidak berlaku kerosakan yang berulang. Oleh itu, pemilihan sistem kalis air yang tepat bersama-sama dengan bahan yang sesuai adalah sangat penting semasa kerja pemilihan dilaksanakan. Sehingga 1977 menegaskan bahawa perlu ada program kerja untuk meninjau struktur utama bangunan terutama bahagian bumbung semasa tahun pertama peringkat pasca pembinaan bagi memastikan pembaikan struktur utama dapat dirancang di peringkat permulaan pembinaan. Sekian, terima kasih.
Hi, Doctor, I'm Yvonne Wong and I will be present for summary and conclusion. Summary: building defects such as leaky roofs and walls, chip tiles, wall cracks, bad plumbing, and electrical problems are common issues that can arise due to careless construction work or the use of poor quality building materials. These defects often become apparent soon after the completion of the building, rather than appearing after a period of use. To address these challenges, it is crucial to conduct thorough inspections and supervision during construction and implement measures to improve building defect issues. Conclusion: to mitigate building defects resulting from careless construction work or substandard building materials, the following recommendations can be implemented. First, quality assurance. Employ experienced and qualified professionals, including architects, engineers, and contractors who have a track record of delivering high-quality work. Implement a robust quality assurance program throughout the construction process, including regular inspection, testing, and documentation of construction activities to ensure compliance with approved plans and specifications. Conduct thorough checks on the quality and suitability of building materials before they are used, ensuring they meet relevant standards and regulations. Second, supervision and oversight. Establish a systematic and comprehensive supervision process to monitor construction activities, including regular site visits and inspection by qualified professionals. Encourage effective communication and collaboration among project stakeholders, including the client, contractors, and subcontractors, to address any issues promptly and ensuring adherence to quality standards. Third, compliance with regulations and standards. Adhere to relevant building codes, regulations, and industry standards throughout the construction process. This includes proper installation of roofing and waterproofing systems, adherence to plumbing and electrical codes, and compliance with structural requirements. Engage building inspectors or third-party quality assurance providers to conduct independent inspection and ensure compliance with regulations and standards. Fourth, skill training and education. Invest in continuous skills training and education for construction workers to enhance their knowledge and expertise in construction techniques, materials handling, and quality control. Encourage professional development and certification programs for construction industry personnel to ensure a skilled workforce capable of delivering high-quality construction work. Fifth, maintenance and warranty period. Establish a maintenance plan for the building, including regular inspection and routine maintenance activities to identify and address any potential defects or issues promptly. Provide a warranty period for building defects, during which the contractor is responsible for rectifying any that identifies issues. Clearly define the terms and conditions of the warranty period in the construction contract. By implementing these recommendations, construction industry stakeholders can improve the overall quality and construction and mitigate building defect issues. It is crucial to prioritize quality assurance, effective supervision, compliance with regulations, ongoing skill training, and proactive maintenance to ensure that buildings are constructed to a high standard and meet the expectation of building owners and occupants. Thank you. Hope you are enjoying with our presentation and the points given